Today we've got a brand new BMW M5, you know, brand new mic, brand new BMW to get polished and ceramic coated on his driveway.
James,
as well.
You know that mic's not connected though, right?
Bluetooth, mate. Bluetooth.
And I'm pretty sure you're holding it the wrong way around as well.
Am I? Let's go that way, is it?
I think so.
Is that better? Can you hear me now?
Oh, they can hear you.
Right. Very popular colour with obviously the sort of gloss black around the car. Very nice wheels as well. It's a bit of a trek though to get from the front end to the back end. 18. He also owns a Yaris just behind you. Different story entirely. Rapid, awesome little thing. That stage one, brilliant.
There's a clip of one of these beating a Ferrari, I think it's 812 Superfast.
Nah.
Yeah, mate.
Really?
I'll put a clip in now, but it's ridiculous.
These are cool little things, these, aren't they? So want one. Anyway, we're not here for the Yaris, even though we'll give it a quick wash, why not? Have a look inside the M5. It's not like anyone watches our stuff or even actually cares. We just do it for the love of it, don't we, Elliot? Oh, them seats! Oh! M1, M2, as far as I know, they're pre-programmed settings for fast stuff. This is so nice. Fresh out the box, 300 miles. Really nice, lovely. What do you call these? Are these the comfort seats or the sports seats? Don't know the difference.
Well, they're buckets, aren't they? So
these aren't. I don't think these are the race seats. I think what? I don't know. So here's the front. Very nice. Very high tech. Well done, BMW. Move to the rear. From the rear, number. It's all right in the back of here, mate. Loads of room, loads of headroom. I can fit in here, lovely. What's the boot like? And we have loads of room. Enough room to even have your CA detailing supplies, which is the sponsor of this video. Thanks, guys. Let's open up and see what's inside, shall we? CA Detailing are a car care enthusiast's wet dream. They supply absolutely everything from every brand, bits, pieces, kit and equipment you could ever want to buy from one place on their website. This is a good kit, mate. Oh, mate, we have their auto foam. We'll be using that on the M5 today. Great bit of snow foam. I've used their touchless, so that'll be interesting to see what they've got. Ah! And they've actually sent us out some glass cleaner from, again, Bit Hamper. We've got all the triggers to come with it. We've got a very nice, hey, I like that. Look at that. Branded wash mitt. Cheers for that, guys. I'm getting shivers. This is nice. This is like Christmas, isn't it? Cheers, guys. Oh. I'm sorry, another one! Ah, yes! One for your wash bucket, one for your rinse bucket. Imagine that in your car. Oh! CarPro Pearl, love CarPro Pearl. You can dilute that down. That's a very, very good tight and trim dressing. We've also got Gion's Wet Coat. This is brilliant. A lot of people swear by this. Clean car, spray on, rinse off, brilliant product. I've never used Young Cars before, any of their products. This is the first for me. So this is their interior cleaner. Looking forward to test this, a sniff test. Sniff that.
nice that.
Green Star, one of the best all-purpose cleaners you could possibly ever buy. Highly dilutable, great. Make sure you dilute it down, don't get it straight out of the bottle. Awesome. I've not used their shampoo for a while from Gion, but all I know is you only need like 2-3 goes on that into your bucket, does it up, which I'll show you later on the M5, courtesy of these guys. To finish it off, we've also got a wheel cleaner. So, hold on. Is that a cookie? Tire applicator. Ah, I wish it was a cookie. For premium car care products, hit up CA Detailing on their website, and a little thank you from us to you. When you go to checkout and type in Vulpix10, you will get 10% off anything that you put in when you go to checkout. Great little kit this. I mean, in terms of quality of products, this is probably one of the better kits I have ever seen for car care. Anyway, back to the M5.
James,
Yeah.
you didn't mention that we're doing a giveaway.
We're doing a giveaway?
Yeah, our viewers get one.
Oh, right. Why didn't you tell me that?
Well, I did.
Did you? So if you want a free car care cleaning kit like this, with all the nice little bits and products you could possibly ever get, comment CA Detailing in the video, follow us on YouTube by subscribing, and follow CA Detailing for a chance to win a premium car care cleaning kit from these brilliant guys. Thanks for the kit. Let's start with Infinity Wax's wheel cleaner. Right, we start with the wheels first, and then we're going to layer it with a bit of auto foam, see how it actually performs. Hold on, do you like dilute this down as it's straight out of the bottle? Neat extreme cleaning. We want extreme cleaning, don't we? If it doesn't work on neat, then it fails, doesn't it, Elliot?
Indeed it does, mate.
So, actually alright, you know. you have a dirty wheel and you want to detail it at home just like I do, there'll be a link below. Check out that how-to video so you can get super nice clean wheels at home. Right, let's try a bit of auto foam, shall we? Ooh, it smells lovely, that. That's all we need. If you do want them super, like, really suddy shots, you can either use more chemical, change the dilution chemical to water, or just add a little bit of shampoo in there. Thank me later. To give a verdict on the auto foam on a clean car, cleanish car, well, it is a clean car. Smells good though, but we'll report in future videos because there's 5 litres of the stuff and I'm going to be using it all. Right, now on to Gion's car shampoo. That's 1, that's 2, 1 more. Highly concentrated stuff. That's just 3 jizz squirts.
Sorry, what?
Hey, that's good that, you know.
Does it smell nice?
It smells lovely, mate. Bathe by Gion, where the top also comes off. Really suddy on the beard and for the bucket. Right, contact wash, done the pre, done the wheels, now time for the contact to the wash. Little top tip with these mitts is literally fill your mitt with product, like that, so you can hold more in your mitt, pop down, and away you go. Pre-wash done, contact done. To see how much iron particles and other bits that are on the paintwork, if any. Smoother than when I get my back waxed.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did you get your back waxed?
Yeah, I have to, mate. It ends up looking like a gorilla. It's feeling super smooth, that, mate. We'll still do a quick clay mitt, but lovely, mate. Still here a little bit, very little though. There you go, see? There's a little bit there, otherwise it wouldn't have grabbed, would have been a lot smoother. It's going to be fun to polish, I mean. Grab myself some Gion wet coat, let me explain and show you. Now the car's got something on it. You can slowly see it sheeting, not beading away. So, just to give you an example, few sprays in a clean panel, no dwell time, straight on shaft. So, before we had sheeting and now we have beading. Also can use it on your glass, a couple of sprays. Doesn't say durability though. Let us know in the comments, guys, what durability you've had from Gion's wet coat. I'm going to guess around 4 to 6 weeks, maybe longer, I don't know. And I have some of the best customers. Do you want a brew? Yeah, comes out with that.
Do you know what that's called, James? Go on.
It's called a cafetiere. Pause, play, editing Elliot. I know he won't do this. Coffee sieve decanter pourer for brewskis.
Do you know what? You weren't far off.
Go on.
Cafetiere.
Cafetiere. There you go.
Yeah.
Mate, we'll have this car polished in like 5 seconds.
Meow.
Swap with the camera. Thank you very much.
James holding the camera is like so careful. It's like my first time on a nice car. It's like, oh.
We've got minor stuff. That, with a nice little tickle, should take it all out. So if we can do a quick before there, Elliot, on the camera, and then we'll do an after. So, you've seen the before, quick reminder of the before, and now, as we buff, let's see what 4-ish good quality working passes does.
I can't see anything in that, it's struggling to focus. Good that.
I'll take that, Elliot. And that's in high definition camera, 4K. I'll take that, mate, happy with that. So, we know what we're going to do, we know what pad, compound, we kind of knew that anyway. We know roughly how many working passes we've got to do. We're just doing that now around the whole car. And it's a big car. I wish it was the Harris. That'd be easy, that, wouldn't it? Ridiculously soft. Massive thank you to the sponsor of this video, CA Detailing Supplies, for sponsoring this video. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me? Yeah. If you did like this video, please, honestly, appreciate it so much. Give us one of them. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Why haven't you? Subscribe button's just there. Click it, leave a comment. I will reply and read to every single one of them. If you don't believe me, test me. As always, thanks for watching the video. And now time for the after shots.
I don't think it was that clean coming out the factory, was it?
We said we'd give the GI Yaris a quick clean.
Oh my god.
And the camera
Sorry,
apparently
mate.
moved.
You're filming now. You waited for me to say something then, weren't you?
I was.
You were zooming into my face like, go on then, say something. Spray, lee.